Hey everyone. So this is the first problem in the fraction story problems, and I kind of want to walk you through the process of it. I'm going to go kind of fast, so you make sure you pause it and you can work through it. So the problem itself is Zach and Noah jogged 2/5 of a mile. I'm going to make so I can draw around this 2/5 of a mile, and then they walked another 1/4 of a mile. How far did they go in all? You're going to think about what you need to know, what strategy you can use, and then we're going to find the answer. So we can use we can't the clock you could use. It's a little more difficult with fifths on a clock. We didn't really talk about that. You can totally use a number line, which I'm going to use today, and then you could use the money pieces. Um, but you could also do the work on your whiteboard on a piece of paper, take a picture, and attach that too. So I'm going to use the number line. So I'm just going to click on it. Maybe I got to have it prepared. I'm going to click on it. Then I click on the link. And remember, I'm going kind of fast, so pause this, and then you do your work, and then you can press play to kind of keep going. So there's going to be a number line that's kind of blank showing up. I'm actually going to go back to the problem. The problem itself is 2/5 plus 1/4. And so I need to figure out where those two meet up. So I'm going to do this kind of fast. I'm going to count by my fours and look for a number that 5 goes into. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I think I heard some of you yelling at me. It's 20, right? So I'm going to make it go out of 20ths. So my answer is going to be out of 20ths. So check this out. Let's go back to the number line. So my number line, I'm going to make it, I'm going to say, make it right here. And I'm going to go by whole numbers. And I'm going to go by ones. And then I'm going to press done. And the number line itself is going to go from 0 to 20. That's the only part that I'm looking for. So remember, the problem itself is 2/5 plus 1/4. Okay? So I need to figure out, first of all, what 1/5 of 20 is. So 1/5 of 20, and remember, you can pause this, is the same thing as 20 divided by 5. I think I heard you say 4. So I'm going to grab this right here, this little segment, and I'm going to move it over here at 0, and I'm going to make it go 4. Right now it looks like it's going 5. I'm going to move it over using this gray, and then I'm going to type in there 1/5. Okay, but I need 2/5 up here. Oh, you couldn't see that. But I need 2/5, so I'm going to make another one. So bring it down here. That looks like remember, it's just 4 long. And then I'm going to type in 1. Oops, that's not right. 1/5. So I have 2/5 right there. Then I need 1/4. Let's change the color. So 1/4 of 20. Oh, darn it. 1/4 of 20 is the same thing as 20 divided by 4. And I think they're flip-flopped, right? Because I think it's 5. So I'm going to put another little segment on here. And I'm going to move it down here, 8. And it should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just happened to give me that. And I'm going to go 1 divided by 4. And now here's the biggest part. Look where I'm at. Look at where I'm at on here. I'm at 13. So 13 out of my total 20. So 13/20ths is my answer. My very last part is I'm going to share this. So I get the arrow down there. I'm going to copy an image. They're going to ask me what I want to do with it. So I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to copy the image, go back to my work, and I'll actually put it right in here. I'm going to double click right there and paste. Okay.